eating lunch with another YouTuber.
Yeah.
What's your channel's name again? I keep forgetting.
You forgot my channel name? That's not that surprising.
Meow something. Meow 666.
6.
I'm gonna at you in this. So I surprisingly live near another YouTuber, and right now we're having McDonald's because I like sharing. He's eating the 10-piece chicken nugs, and we're sharing some fries.
Yeah.
Cause why not? Fries are good. I love sharing. I'm the biggest big back. This fell? Just throws the fry.
Yeah, it's in the garbage now. Because it is garbage. Sometimes the fries go in the garbage for no reason.
Oh, Nick, I didn't. This is the last one of the season. Well,
Making memes. Yo. Please view this video, or else there's problems here. Or else I'm gonna unsubscribe to your channel if you have one. Or dislike all of your videos if I find out where your channel is.
sir, don't take another step or we will use force. Oh, what the?
Dead burger detected.
Also, I am starting on an edit of Shadow Milk. Don't worry, y'all. I'm not dead. I'm just posting this for now.
It's a dandelion. It must be the last one of the season.
Gulp. Just casually swallows it whole. My friend. Side-eye. Me. What? Well, you side-eyeing me, my guy. Stop side-eyeing me or else I'll come at you. He comes at. You know what, y'all? I'm putting you in the bag. Put the fries in the bag. You want the fries.